Hello team, welcome back to another video for Tire Base. In this video we're going to see how to update stock from your items, from your inventory basically. And we're going to look into what's the procedure to update your stock if you want to do it in bulk. Okay, there's an option currently at Product and Services, and you can use this option, but this is only a manual option. So you can use the update stock option. By selecting, you can either find a product, just type in the MFG number, just type in the size, brand, style, and you should be able to select a product and just update. So if you have 123 units, you can just go and add, in this case, 2. If I want to go over to 125, so if I click this and select the bin number, you can also specify movement reason. But if we do this modification for this product, basically, the system is going to add those tires, and it will work as well if you select minus any quantity. The system is going to take that quantity from your current stock. So if I select here, and if I console this product, I already have 125. If I go in here, I can see the adjustment. So newest first, the inventory adjustment, the recent test, as I specified in that adjustment. But as you can see, you can add and take from the using the update stock option. But if you want to do it in bulk, this option is through the settings section, and we're going to go straight to the data migration tab. So from here, guys, this works for all products that we have currently. So this is for the tire section, for the wheels section, and also we have for the parts section. And it would work the same. So you can go into the tire section in this case, select the Export button, and then click on Download with Products. If you already have products within Tire Base, the system is going to take all of your tires and it's going to display that in an Excel sheet file. So you should be getting this document with all of your products. And for the sake of this example, we're just going to take the first 2 items here. I'm going to delete the whole list, and we're just going to take in consideration these items here. So let's just say you have all of your inventory here. You can, from here, start making modifications on your stock. So if I go here and I specify I want to have 250, and for this I want to have 300. Okay. So what the system is going to do once you modify the stock is it's not going to add, as we did with the update stock option. Basically what's going to happen is the system is going to override what you have selected in that section. So if I have, let's just say at first I had 1,000, and right now I add 250, the system is not going to take, it's not going to reflect 1,250 tires. The system is going to override to 250 from 1,000. So just make sure to take that in consideration, any modification on stock, and if you upload that file, the system is going to override the stock for that amount. It's displayed here. Also, you can make modifications on cost. I would recommend you only do those modifications for stock and cost if you want to modify the standard also. But once you have those modifications, you can start saving this file, and we can go back into the data migration section, and then click on this file here, or you can also click on the clip on the clipboard section here. But once you have that, we can just consult here. So this is the product I had. Okay, this is tires with products. Okay, this is the one we modified. So if I go all the way down here, okay, 250 and 300. These are my items that I updated. Okay, so now we're going to open this file, and we're going to click upload. So the system is going to let you know these disclaimers. These are some important disclaimers also for you to consider. So if the product cost is not specified, it will be set to 0. This is something important also. Keep that in mind. If the product stock is not specified, it will be set to 0 automatically. So yes, if you set everything to 0, or if you leave the stock section blank, the system is going to override that to 0. So just keep in mind these points, and then once you read these points and agree with all these, you can just click the I understand and agree to the data import process. Once you click continue, the system is going to start importing that information. As you can see here, it says analyzing. But you can start doing any other tasks. You can go into work orders, purchase orders, anything while this file is being uploaded. Now we're going to click on data migration once again so we can be refreshed, and here's the file done. The current row is going to show you how many items it was considering. So in this case, it validates both of these tires, both of these items. In skip rows, it says 0, so this is good. This means the system didn't skip any of the rows, so the products were updated correctly. If you find any, like in here, so you can see 55 rows were identified as wrong. So if you click on the download file option, and we download this option to see, let's just say you received an alert, or you received this 55 over this quantity of items. If you go into this file, the system is going to let you know which ones are wrong. So if I go all the way down to the last section, so it says here, okay, style obsolete for brand, not found, value ignored. So the style here is wrong. We deleted this style. So this is something that we must like configure it or change. But the system is going to let you know all of the issues that you had at the last section on the detail section option. Okay. So with that being said, we can confirm our items were imported correctly. So if I go back into the products and services section to consult my products, this is the first one we modified. So if I go in here in the track unit report, the system says previously you had, okay, let's do it like this. Previously you had 1, this was the balance, and then you made an data migration, and then 250. So as you can see, the quantities right here, and the system's also going to let you know who made that modification. Also, if I confirm for the other product, if I go in here and paste the manufacturer product number, the system is going to display that information also. So but data migration, we had 224 before, and then we made that data migration up to 300 units. As you can see, this is the balance, the committed units, so the system is behaving correctly on this part. But yeah, this is how you can update your stock massively on bulk, and you can also use the update stock option if you want to do that manually for only one product at a time. But if you have any questions regarding this procedure, please let us know, contact our support team, and have a good day.